The food in your country is very tasty and delicious, especially snack like Indomie or Nabati.
Yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
I really enjoy it. And after that, I also buy some Indonesian food come to Vietnam. Yeah, I give it for my friend and for my family member, and yeah, they really love it.
Your glasses, it
No,
fits on you.
no, I'm not. I really like your eye, your eye,
W-
your eye.
My
Yeah,
eyes. Do you like it?
yeah, yeah. I love it. It
How?
looks so glamorous and amazing. It look very good on you. I say the two, the eye and the I both. Yeah,
Ah,
I don't know how to say it in English, but it's very beautiful in the natural way. Yeah.
yeah. I understand. I understand. I also
Yeah.
have glasses, but I don't use it.
Uh,
Do you want to? Do you
uh,
want to see?
okay.
Like this one?
Got it.
Uh,
Actually, yeah, without glasses, you don't want to go. Got it. Yeah.
oh, so
So
you first.
okay, go ahead. What do you want to say?
Yesterday I met a Vietnam girl. Actually yesterday I just joined Episoden.
Oh,
Yes, she was curious about my hijab, and we talk about it.
ah, yeah, okay, I understand. Yeah, actually, I meet a lot of Indonesian people here. I think maybe over 100 people. Yeah, a lot. And you guys are very friendly, and the Indonesian people also very nice and kind person. Yeah, to be honest, I really like to talking with with Indonesian people. Yeah, actually, last year I also went to your country to travel.
Oh,
Yeah.
which part? Jakarta
Uh,
or Bali? Maybe.
in April 2024, the last year I went to Batam Island.
Oh, I see. Um,
Yeah.
what? How to say, like? Do you like it? I mean, like,
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
travel?
I love it. I love it. Yeah. Actually, I really enjoy the time that I stay there because you guys have amazing food. Actually, yeah. The food in your country is very tasty and delicious, especially snack like Indomie or Nabati.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I really enjoy it. And after that, I also buy some Indonesian food come to Vietnam. Yeah, I give it for my friend and for my family member, and yeah, they really love it. To be honest, and local people they are also very friendly. I love the country so much. Maybe next year, yeah, I will be go to no, Bali, Bali,
Bali. Ah, yeah, yeah. I
yeah,
was
Bali.
living in Bali actually.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
right now
Actually,
I
because
live in Bali. That's beautiful.
you live
Yeah,
in Bali.
yeah.
Oh, what is your major right now in university?
I pursued physics.
Physics, right?
Yes, physics.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah,
It's
because
rough.
physics with me is very difficult. To be honest, I prefer chemistry more. Yeah, because with me physics always difficult. If when I go in high school or when I go in secondary school, I also feel physics. It maybe the most difficult subject with me.
Yeah, me as well. Even though I studied physics, but it's damn so hard.
Do you enjoy it? Do you like that?
Actually, um, I am I am into I'm interested physics,
Mm.
and I took in physics there are several departments, and I took about meteorology. So
Got
I
it.
yeah I calculate about data like weather data.
It is a great choice for you because you enjoy it and you interested in because for example my friend who because their graduation, they only to random major to study in university. So right now, even though they finish 3 years in university, but yeah, they don't have any interested enjoy it. So every day with them is difficult day, and right now they feel confused for their future. That's the reason why I often ask people that do they like it? Do they like their major or do they like their job? Because the first thing it is very important that you should be enjoy it and love it. Yeah. So that's the reason why right now I did not go to the school because I spend my time to think about what I want to do in the future. Who I want to become. Because after I graduation from high school, I did not have any interesting hobbies or I don't like anything. That's the reason why I did not choose random major to study in university. I spent 2 years to think about what I want to do or to think about my future. And now I decided to go to the university again in September. Yeah, next 2 months. Yeah.
Congratulations. You think about it carefully, and that's really nice. You don't want to waste your time after you enter university if you choose the wrong major.
No, actually, I research my future very clearly because I want to make sure that I will not decide the wrong season, the wrong decision. Yeah, that's the reason why I spend a lot of time to find information about my course, my future career. There are a lot of things, and right now I'm make sure that I am going the two way. Yeah.
Actually, I have salary. I have a settled job. But I decided, this is not life I want to be. So, after I think carefully, and now I'm preparing for university. I mean, for taking master.
It means right now you preparing to study master degree. Is
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
Yeah, that's so good because I think study anything is very important. You study for the master degree. It is very good and don't think about marriage soon. You should enjoy the time. The study. I think study is a thing that's very important for the life. To be honest. And yeah, right now I think we're still very young, so should enjoy that time. And yeah, that is I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't think about
you know,
marry at the
yeah,
moment.
no,
I don't think about
yeah,
it. Maybe
yeah,
I'm 28 for about
yeah,
marry, and not
yeah,
at
yeah,
young age, because it's about um we have to prepare about mental health, physical, and also financial. If we
exactly.
don't think about it, just like waste your time, and then your life gonna mess up. If you
Yeah,
think
yeah,
about.
I feel you understand. Totally agree with you because I think without money we cannot do anything. Only we should think about financial situation. The I think money is maybe the most important thing with me because I think if I don't have a money, I cannot do anything. I cannot buy food. I cannot buy clothes. I cannot afford for renting house or something like that. There are a lot of things that we need to do money. So the first thing that we need to have a job. We need to work, and after that, we should think about marriage and have a family, but yeah, not now.
Yeah, not now. Exactly, not now. Not ready yet. We are not ready
Yeah,
yet.
yeah, right now it's not the suitable time. Yeah, maybe in the future.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in the future, of course, in the future.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and I really appreciate you guys. Bye bye.